Welcome. I cordially invite you to my talk on process science at Maynooth University. Process science to me personally is something super exciting because it marks a new era for process research, which is grounded on data, which is so largely available these days, and it also utilizes AI algorithms, which are so fascinating these days. In my talk, I will present three ways to do process science. The first is descriptive process science, then explanatory process science, and then prescriptive process science, all building up towards innovating services for societies and businesses. The beauty is we ground what we do on the evidence we capture from digital traces, which are all around us. That's the descriptive process science. Then based on that, we try to make sense of what we see in context, and we try to identify patterns, behavioral patterns, processual patterns, which help us to understand and categorize and make sense of the various dynamics we see these days. And then built on that, we get to the innovative solutions we develop based on this understanding in order to make processes more enjoyable, more efficient, more environmentally friendly, more sustainable, more resilient, and you name it. I very much look forward to presenting a bunch of ideas and also examples across sectors, from the public sector, from the banking sector, from the health sector, mobility sector, and also then to jointly engage in a discussion on how can we build on this new body of knowledge and this exciting research to support digital service innovation. Thank you.